Yo, yo. All right, guys. Let me. Might need to mute that. Right. Let's see if this is working now. Yeah, welcome, guys. Yo, guys, welcome. Hey, Joe, hope your traveling is good. Yeah, you in anything? No, I'm not taking anything. It's my birthday today, so I'm chilling out a little bit. Good to see you all, though. We've got 54 tuning in on TikTok. Very, very good to see. I just want to make sure that the YouTube's all good too, if it's working or not. Sounds good to me, guys. I think we've got it cracking. Where am I traveling? One sec, guys. I'll get to questions in a minute. I just need to work out how to get this on my screen now. Maybe I can put it there. Sweet. Yes. The travel setup is going good. Right, we're good. Right, let's go. Yeah, I can see you now. Can see everyone. Right. Sweet, guys. I can see everything. Cool. Good to see you all. Welcome. Sorry, I just needed to sort it out so I could see everybody. You in anything? Not just yet. Where am I traveling? I'm going to a few places. I'll get into the charts in a second, guys. Is New York session started? It will be doing very shortly. I'll be looking for entries very soon. Is the mentorship still available? It is. If you go and apply for it, you need to go and apply. I don't just take anybody into the mentorship. You have to apply for the mentorship. Once you've applied, my team will be in touch. And then, obviously, if you're a fit, you'll get accepted. All right, guys. So we'll start breaking these charts down. I have not taken anything today. I've been sort of waiting. I've been sort of waiting for the New York session to open just because sort of it is my birthday and I don't really want to trade too much today. But anyway, good to see you all, guys, and let's see if we can take anything on this session. But Blaster, you need to go and apply for it in the TikTok, in the YouTube. I'll put it in here. One sec, if I can. Let me put it in here first. Yo, Paul, good to see you, man. Yeah, it's there. I've just put the link in the YouTube chat if you want. Mehmet, good to see you. Tom, great to see you. Sand, CNM, welcome. Paul, good to see you. Happy birthday. Appreciate you all, guys. Appreciate you all. So yeah, let's start breaking this down. So basically what I'm looking for here on gold is we've got this sort of resistance area that we are starting to break above. If one sec, is that central? Let me check. It's better. If we can sort of break out of this, I might try a little buy here in a second. I might try a little buy if we can break above this level to continue pushing higher. Just because I think gold is bullish. Obviously, we've got liquidity to trade into above up here. So that would be the overall sort of goal here. If I can get that closure above, I might try some buys. All right. That would be the goal here. Nice. Crypto. Sweet. Good morning, Joe. We love you. Appreciate it, man. Good to see you too. Happy birthday, Matt. Nice one. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Yeah, appreciate it, guys. So I'm going to see how the candle closes here, and then I'm going to try some potential buys. You know, if I can get that break, if I can get that break above this level, I'd expect gold to push higher. I mean, the only area that I can look to trade into right now would be this resistance level here. So I need to see how the candle closes, and then I can look to buy into the next resistance. If it closes taking liquidity, then I'll be done. I won't be looking to trade buys here. Yo, Duncan, good to see you. It's been choppy. Yes, it has. Another reason why I stayed out the market, to be honest with you. Yeah, cheers to the follows, guys. Cheers to the follows. Smash a like, smash a follow, smash a subscribe as well, guys. Appreciate you all. Let me have a look at this. I need to post these links. Sweet. Where's the liquidity? The liquidity that's been taken is here. So we have taken some liquidity to the downside. It's just about, can we continue higher on the closure? So I'm trading 5 linked Lucid accounts here, halfway to passing. So we'll see if we can catch a little trade here. Guys, who agrees that bottle cork is better than plastic? Glass bottle cork. Let me know. What do you think? Do you agree with me or not? Yo, Cjan, welcome, man. Agreed, it's much better. I agree. No, Ken, get out of here. I'm joking. New restrictions on Top Step again? More, you mean? Glass is better. Definitely, it is. It is. The can. The can. Absolutely, yeah. Microplastics. Yeah, you got to love a bit of microplastic. Are you in? Not just yet. If I get a closure, I might try to buy a wick fill and then for a push higher. Yeah, let me see if I can get this closure above. MetaTrader 5. This is not MetaTrader 5. This is TradingView, bro. Who likes the backdrop? I chose a good apartment, didn't I? With this backdrop. I think it's clean. The background. Yeah, I think we're going to push here. I really do. I think we've not really done too much. We've not really done too much on gold. So this candle closure. Yeah, you need a certain balance just to trade one micro. Really? What about, I've got like $300 profit. I've got like $300 profit, but it won't let me trade one micro. Crazy. What do people do if you can't trade one micro? Like, it's ridiculous. What do you want us to do? Just not trade for months? Like, come on, they need to sort the stuff out. Like, this is why people are going to Lucid. This is why people are going to Top One and all these other prop firms. Like, they're just going to lose all the customers. Like, people don't care about Project X. I couldn't care less about Project X. I've got like 4 accounts with Top Step. I couldn't care less about Project X. There's more issues than good things about it. You can't trade every day. You try taking positions, you get slipped. I'd rather just trade on trade of it. Like, I can't even trade one micro. What's that about? Like, come on. Yo, Jamie, good to see you, man. Yeah, exactly, Dig. It's crazy. Hey, Joe, yo, Emmy, good to see you. Anton, good to see you too. Chris, welcome, bro. Oh, yeah, we're not in this, guys, by the way. This was just a markup. I forgot to delete that. Sorry. Let's have a look at Nasdaq as well. So Nasdaq's having a decent pull. That's Chainlink, NQ. One sec. Let me get Nasdaq back up. Look at crypto. I thought I'd just have a look at crypto this morning. Okay, so Nasdaq is having a decent pullback after this sell-off this morning in London session. Only thing I can really see on Nasdaq currently is if we can sort of close bullish above this level. Until we close bullish above this level, there's nothing. Maybe if we reject this level, maybe I can take some sells down. Other than that, I can't really do anything until we either reject the level to push down or close above to break higher. Really, I'm just going to see how price reacts from this level. Maybe some sells, maybe some buys because there's liquidity above and below. Yeah. My picture's clear. Really? Yeah, I'm using my DJI camera, that's why. Do you think my face is more clear today? I'm not using my webcam, I'm using my DJI, which is cleaner. Well, should be for 600 quid. Picture looks good. Yeah, I thought it did. Super clear, sweet. Yeah, I noticed that. Seriously, guys, you wanna look at me? Okay, so yeah, let's start the week off. If we can catch a 15-minute impulse, that would be clean. If the 15 doesn't set up, I'm open to the 30 impulse above this level for buys. Looking good on the video, legends. Where am I currently? I'm currently in Batumi. Yeah, for a few days. Which is like next to Turkey. What's my bias? I don't trade with a bias. Yeah, I'm currently in Batumi. Which Lucid? 100% the Flex account. Guys, if you look into it, don't get caught in using the Pro or the other accounts with Lucid because they have restrictions. They have restrictions on your payouts. The best account, which is exactly the same as Top Step, is the Flex account. And if you want the 40% off, use JTC. You got makeup on, bro? No, I've just been outside and it's quite cold. Maybe my cheeks are red, I don't know. But, I mean, get on with it. Is Lucid instant? Yes, they do. They have instants, but, I mean, I think it's like £50 for a 50k, same as Top Step rules. Like, everything's exactly the same as Top Step, and it's 50 quid, which is like half price of Top Step. Especially if you use JTC. If you use JTC, you get 40% off. So it's like £52. That's Lucid. Yeah, Lucid. What's so interesting about Batumi? Just a place that I've wanted to visit, so I'm visiting it. I mean, the good thing about being so about trading is that you can just go wherever you want when you want. Like, I don't know where I'm going to be next week, to be honest with you, but that's the beauty about it. I mean, who doesn't want that sort of freedom? Yo, Owen, good to see you, man. What's my code? I'll try and put it in here if it lets me. Guys, somebody in the community who has the code, put the code in the TikTok chat. If it doesn't let me type, so you'll have to put it in for everybody. Somebody put the code in. It's JTC. I'll put it in on the YouTube. One sec. Guys on YouTube, you can see. There you go. Yeah, this is Coca-Cola, mate. Yeah, there you go, guys. Appreciate you. Nice one. Upgrade. But yeah, that's the code. It says you typed it in on TikTok, did it? Oh, sweet. Nice. Yeah, if you want to watch the full screen, just head over to the YouTube. What platform? This is Tradeovate. I'm literally using Tradeovate for everything apart from Top Step, but I don't think I'll buy any more Top Step accounts after what they're doing. They're just crazy. Even if I lose these 4 accounts and they go under, I couldn't care less. I'm really not bothered about them anymore. Like, whatever. It's just not a good look when somebody who's got an $1,000 balance can't even trade 1 micro. It's ridiculous. Oh my God, amazing, man. Yeah, that's the thing as well, guys. I like to travel to places where there's not a lot of tourists. I've done Phuket, Bangkok. I've done Vietnam, to be fair, hasn't got a lot of tourists, but I've done all the places where it's just rammed with tourists. And I would rather just have more of an experience that not everybody has. So I want to go to these places that other people haven't been to. So like D said, Romania, amazing. That's somewhere I want to go. Cork stock is flying to the moon. I'm really not surprised because I'm drinking it. They owe me shares. Mm-mm-mm. Can you link Lucid in the app? No, you have to use TradeSyncer. Yeah, you have to use TradeSyncer. Oh yeah, Lee, yeah, I do, man. Yeah. Yeah, he does similar still. Albania, yeah, sweet. Sweet. Where's the most amazing place you've been to? Vietnam. Yeah, like Vietnam's amazing. To be honest with you, Vietnam, yeah. Better than Thailand? It nudges it. Yeah, it nudges it. Just about. And the only reason why I say Vietnam over Thailand is just because there's less tourists or there's less Europeans in Vietnam right now. Until they catch on, I'll still keep going to Vietnam. And it's not that I hate Europeans or this and that. It's just that I like sort of being able to go places without it being so busy. Like the beaches are literally there's nobody on the beaches. Um yeah, and you can just sort of like get in with the culture a little bit, if that makes sense. But I mean, at some point, Vietnam's going to be like Thailand in the next like 5 to 10 years because I can just see it with how good Thailand is. Have I been to Nha Trang? Yeah, I lived in Nha Trang for like 6 months. Yeah, I lived in Nha Trang for like 6 months. I made some YouTube videos on it. I'm actually going back to Nha Trang. I'm going back to Nha Trang, Vietnam in 2 months for 2 weeks. So that'll be good. Oh, did MQ reject? Yeah, NQ's rejecting this level. So we can plot a level like this here. Okay, we can plot a level like this. And if this next candle pushes up and rejects, I can sell. So I'll be looking for like some half risk entries on sells down. You still live at home, Joe? No, I don't. I just wherever I live, I just rent. Yeah. I'm sort of a free agent. To be honest with you, do I think I'll ever own a home? Until I can buy like a big house in cash? No, I won't. Until I can buy like a villa in cash or a nice big house in the UK in cash, I won't ever get a mortgage. People think it's like an investment. It's not. It's just a liability. Houses are liabilities now. I don't care what anybody says. Oh yeah, but buy a house and rent it out to people. Okay, but then you've got to take phone calls every week because something happens, it breaks. You've got people moving out all the time, not paying your rent. Like you're not just sitting on a beach sipping cocktails if you own a home and you rent them out. It's a lot of work. A lot of work. Totally agree, Joe. Amen. Yeah, I that's my thought anyway, bro. Like I say, it's good that you see my vision as well. So Lucid doesn't have activation fee. No, mate. They're like £60, no activation fee. It's crazy. They are definitely going to up the prices soon. So I would just, it's up to you. That's why I'm trying to max 5 accounts out now. But like I say, buy what you can afford. And yeah. But yeah, I think £250, no activation fee to get 5 50K accounts is ridiculous. Yo, bro, how's it going, Yasin, bro? What am I trading? Gold and Nasdaq. Is Novo still worth it? What do you mean, RL? FTMO good. I mean, you can't really complain with FTMO, but they're restricting traders and stuff now. I think all prop firms, like, get on prop firms as quickly as you can, because in 2 years, I mean, you'd be on personal accounts, guys. You'd be growing personal accounts in like 2 years. Build a personal account on the side whilst you can. Well, not whilst you can, but just have it ready, should I say. Have it ready. Gold reversal. Let's have a look. Oh, okay. Yeah, if this 30 can close bearish, I'm going to take some sells on gold. Maybe down to fill this range here. Okay. That would be the plan. If I can get a bearish closure here in 5 minutes. Yeah, guys, if you follow and subscribe to this account, guys, yeah, follow and subscribe to this account. These are my only accounts. I don't follow you. Okay, I won't follow you. I'm copying 8. Cool, man. Nice. I mean, yeah, I don't copy. You can copy as many as you want. Yeah. Tradify seems okay. Yes, Paul, they are as well, bro. They are. They are. Tradify are great. I've actually got like 3 instant accounts that are around break even. Took any trades today? No, it's my birthday, so I've not really traded London session. I updated the guys in the mentorship with some levels and targets. Nothing happened though. Nothing happened in London other than the sells here. But it was close. The only reason I didn't like these sells here, which it did end up winning, the only reason I didn't like these sells is because it was like very close to this level. So I probably would have left it. But that's the only sort of move I see. London's been a bit trash today. But yeah, I've not really been trading because I've been relaxing a little bit. Assets put money in your pocket, liabilities take it out, yeah. It's not, yeah, but you need to understand as well, like, people think like assets. People think assets, like, you need to understand, like, how much is that asset paying you for the amount of work you're doing? Like, people who have like 3 houses think that they're going to be on a beach sipping cocktails. They're so stressed out. Every person who rents a house out every time I always ask them, how's it going? They always tell me that there's problems. Always tell me that there's some problems going on. I never hear them say, oh yeah, easy. The last 3 years, I haven't even thought about it. No, they're all stressed. To me, that isn't an asset. That's more of a liability, as well as all the other things that come with it. Houses can put you under for real. Yeah, I agree, man. I agree. Especially with like mortgages and stuff, remortgaging and people paying way more for a house than they need to. I'd rather just rent, invest the money, which actually makes me more money than a house would, and then buy it in cash. Yeah, I just rather buy it in cash when I can either buy a very nice house or I just carry on renting until I can buy in cash. Because if you actually do the maths, it really doesn't make sense. Really doesn't make sense. Could you buy the Lucid accounts and save them? Yeah, you can do energy. I think you've got like a month until you got to trade them. What do I think about the fib retracement? Fib retracement, I used to use it and it can be effective. The only thing I don't like about the fib retracement is that look at all these levels of Fibonacci: 88, 78, 71, 61, 50, 38. So you're basically saying to yourself, okay, I've got 7 different levels here. I don't want 7 levels of where price could reverse. I don't care about that. I could plot random levels on the chart and 1 in 7 would be right. So I don't need a Fibonacci. It's a bit useless, I think. And to be honest with you, when people talk about the golden zone, they only talk about the golden zone when it actually works. They never talk about it when it doesn't work. Like, there'll be 15 times where the golden zone, the 61.8% didn't work, but the one time it did, they'll talk about it like it's God's gift. Like, come on. I used to use the fib, but you don't need it. I hadn't used the fib in like 4 years. And I've been profitable for like almost 3. So, yeah. The only reason I don't even know I've still got it much here, to be honest. Mm-mm. Yo, Dre, how's it going, man? Good to see you. Did you mention Tradeify? Yeah, Tradeify are good. I think Lucid for the price are better. Yeah, the camera's nice and crisp. It's my travel camera. That's why. It's my DJI Cosmo. Yeah, I'm currently not in the UK, so I mean, I'm not using my Logitech webcam. So yeah. Yeah, I think Lucid for the prices, whilst you can get them, just get them. Especially with the discount code on with JTC, you've got like 40% off there, which is like an extra 10%, I think. Or it might be the same. I don't know. You'll have to look into it. But I mean, just use the code anyway. Should I stop using Project X? I don't know. Top Step have just got a lot of problems. They need to sort the stuff out. They do need to sort. They do need to sort the stuff out. Okay, I'm gonna maybe try a micro gold sell here. Yeah. If this can reflip bearish, I might take a little sell. Can I? Ah, don't do this to me, Lucid. Wow. Right, I'm gonna mark this up and do it on my other. I'm gonna mark this up here, guys. I need to do it on my other screen, which I haven't got shared, which I'll get shared for tomorrow. I'd need to set up a new screen, which is gonna take too long. So I'm just gonna mark this up on here for now. I am gonna put the order in now because I can see the order on the other screen. You can't. All good. But I've got an order in here, a sell stop basically here, and I'm gonna be looking for this to reflip bearish down into maybe this like sort of level, and then a continuation further down. I'm using like 2 micros. Where am I trading on? This is Tradeovert. Yeah, it's the Flex account, James. I'm using the 5 Flex accounts. Yeah, I think it's like $57, £57 or something. Only thing I don't like about this half risk is we are coming into a bit of a level here, guys. That's the only thing I don't like. We have got a bit of a level here. You know, look at this. Support. Price could act as support to push higher. So if this reflips, takes us in and reverses, there is potential of that. Just be open to low risk here. This is a risky trade that I'm only taking on evaluations. If you're trading like funded accounts, double think it because it's not the cleanest. Do you think Top Step could potentially, Deegs? I mean, why are they stopping people from making money with high lot size? Why are all the people who are successful? To be honest with you, they have said that people are sort of like, what do they call it? Hedging. Probably is true. The people who have been emailed probably are hedging some sort. They might not know the hedging, but they might have been. Just another reason to get like profitable traders out of the sort of their business, if that makes sense. Other than that, I don't know. It's a bit fishy, isn't it? It's not looking good, brother. Yeah, guys on YouTube, smash a like on this video. Let's get to 25 likes on YouTube. And that's another thing, guys. Like, you know, you need to understand that a lot of people might actually be hedging, but obviously some people wouldn't have known they were hedging. Like, they might have been trading an Express and then they might have sold an Express as well. You just don't know. You can't sort of like say that they're not hedging. So yeah, it's a bit of a strange situation, isn't it? Yeah, I'm only using one micro here, so I'm gonna put it all the way up here. I'm only risking $200. My risk is only $200 here, which is nothing. So yeah, let's see if this can play out. If this 15 doesn't close bearish, I'll take a little. How big will the like maybe $100 loss? But yeah, just down there. 52. Joy, is this gold? Yeah, it is, man. It's gold. What's good, George? Eddie, how's it going, man? Good to see you. What account size am I using? 50Ks. Yeah, these are like $1,500 up. Yeah, I'm not trading funded accounts today. I don't like this sort of choppy price action. And to be honest with you, I can't even trade them. Yeah, this is like a high risk, half risk entry. Another thing about it is that we've got sort of a double top up here to trade into. So price could actually start to push higher and take out that liquidity. Joy, is that gold? Yeah, it is. What's hedging? Hedging's basically, let's say that you've got two accounts. Oh, one sec. Let's say that you've got two accounts, okay? And they're both 50K accounts. And let's say the 1K up in profit, and you need, let's say one of them's 1K up, the other account's 1K up too. Okay, if you want to guarantee a payout, you would say, okay, I'm gonna risk 3K on this account and 3K on this account. And if this loses, I lose the account. If this wins, I make 3K and I can withdraw the profit. So you're basically guaranteeing a profit by going opposites. This is more like a gamble. Yeah, it's a high risk trade. Yeah, it is a high risk trade. It's a half risk entry. I'm using one micro, bro. If it closes like up here, like let's say this 15 closes here, I'll simply lose like $80. Like it's nothing. It's not that deep, bro. It's like $90 risk. And it's not a gamble because it's a valid trade. It's rejected my level. It's within my range. Yeah, it's coming into a bit of structure here. That's why I'm using less risk. If you think it's a gamble, don't take the position. If you think if it's not to your plan, don't take it. I'm not here to be copied off. I'm here to just chill, ask questions, answer questions. And if you want to watch me trade a session, watch me trade. I'm not forcing people to take trades with me. That's not what it's about. Like you can take like with my strategy at 70% win rate, I could take 3 or 4 losses in a row. You might join and I take 4 losses in a row. Okay? That's not my fault that you've joined and I take 3 to 4 losses. You might join and like last month or 2 months ago we had like a 9-10 win streak. It's just trading, bro. Like it's fine. Do you minimize risk after losses? Yeah, I mean, I try to keep all my risks the same. So like I'm gonna risk on this high here, which is like 100 ticks. So it's gonna be like $112 loss. Okay. But it is a high risk position. And if I don't get a push here, I'll just close it in a second. Like this 5 minute, if it doesn't push, I can look, like this 15-minute time frame. I mean, it's got like 6 minutes left with no flip. Why down? Because of the 30 candle closure. 30 candle close bearish engulfing, taking liquidity, rejecting the level. Statistically, 75% of the time, this will run into first management point. So I've got a 70% chance of this pushing into my first level down here. And then the rest, well, it can do what it wants, okay? Just like it's pushing now, okay? We're letting price push down. If it pushes, it pushes. If it rejects and pushes back up, I can close it around break even. Did I enter? Yeah, I'm in on this. I'm in a little bit above, actually. I'm in on the actual candle flip down. I'm trying to manage this on 2 screens. So we'll see. We'll see. Yeah, I'm in from 20. I'm in from this level here. If this runs into these wicks, I'm gonna go break even and see if this can push down further. How much did I put into start? Nothing. I'm trading I'm trading evaluations today until Top Step sort the stuff out. Top Step are being nasty. Not letting me trade. See, I'd be up on Top Step, but they're not letting me trade. They're not letting anybody trade. Close 50. Yeah, break even now. Fair enough. My plan doesn't tell me to go break even yet. My plan will tell me to go break even in a minute. I'm just gonna watch. I'm just gonna watch this candle. If it starts pushing bullish in a second, I'm gonna close it. Because we have got a bit of a level here. If we do start rejecting this sort of structure, I'm happy to break even. Look for like the 15 closure to sell. Just trying to give it a little bit of time. What country am I from? I'm from the UK originally. Okay, here we go. Now we're seeing a little push here. Soon as we tap this sort of structure here where we've got that support and resistance here, support acting as resistance. Soon as we come into here, that's where I'm going to go break even and let the rest run. That's like 60 ticks. Actually, I'm going to trail break even now, guys, okay? So I'm break even, and that is at 68 ticks profit. And I'm going to let the rest run down into this range fill here. And then the rest of my TPs are going to be down here on these lows, and then the lows to the left, just to see if we're going to come and sweep them lows. If this hits break even, all good. Because, like I say, we have tapped, and that's what I mean. 70% of the time, we will hit this first level, and we have done. If you want to close out here at 70 ticks profit, you can do. If not, and you want to let it run with me, all good. Bang, into that level. Just made 100 on your strategy. 1.8 fair. Love your analysis. I appreciate it, man. Evaluation, meaning demo account. Evaluation, yes. It's just so you can actually get funded. Guys, who took this trade? Put a W in the chat. I want to see who took it. Thanks, Joe, bro. All good, guys. All good. First live stream traveling, and we've took a W. That's the mindset. That is the mindset. That's the mindset traveling gives you. Great way to start the week. Yeah, I'm letting this run, guys, because I'm only on evaluations here. So I mean, I'll take like probably at this level. Beautiful setup, yeah, beautiful. Yeah, guys, if you want to apply for the mentorship and work with me one-on-one, the link is in the TikTok bio. Head over to the TikTok bio, press the link in the TikTok bio, okay? And you will see when you when you press that link, you will see it says one-to-one mentorship or apply for mentorship. Click that, apply, and you can book a call. All right, you can book a call. W's, yep. Great work. That's what I like to see. Yeah, I'll post the link here, pin it. What coin is this? This is Dogecoin. This is Doge. We're in Dogecoin cells. Okay, yeah, good stuff, guys. I'm break even. If this hits mid break even, it's absolutely fine. It would have been nice for Top Step to allow me to trade because that would have been easily like a $200-300 win there. Why don't I close at take profits? Because I'm on evaluations. I'm on 5 linked evaluations, so I'm kind of letting them run. I'm trying to pass these this week, hopefully. One day away from another payout on Top Step. Yes, let's go. Great work, man. Great to see. Yeah, good work if you caught that, guys. W in the chat. Welcome. Welcome, welcome. Stick with funded next. Nice. Yeah, Top Step are hard work at the moment. They need to sort the stuff out. I normally have everything good to say about Top Step, but I just can't at the moment, unfortunately. I don't know how people can. Like, how can you? It's like, you got to be honest. Like, the worst thing that I could do is, like, try back it up. I just can't. Happy birthday, bro. RJ, legend. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. MK, appreciate you, bro. I mean, we've only been on here 45 minutes and we've caught a W, which is great. What broker do I use? Yeah, guys on TikTok, if you want to know the broker that I use, send me a DM on here. Send me a message on TikTok, and then I will send you the name of the broker I use. Okay? Happy birthday. Appreciate you. Appreciate you. Yeah, I'm trading my birthday. Yeah, we took a W on my birthday. Birthday W. How old am I? Guess, guys. Guess my age. Put it in the chat. Hey, bro, I saw your video. You're an excellent person. I appreciate you, man. I appreciate you. 36? Bro, that's an insult. 35? Wow, I'm not aged that much, have I? My niece's birthday today too. Look nice. Like, I know trading ages us, but wow. 36, 43? Come on. I'm 20. Whoever said 26, you're the winner. Whoever said 26, you're the winner. 6'7". 6'7". I said 26, nice. 36, yes, 36 is crazy. Your message you, yeah, Diggs, I'll get back to you today, bro. Trolling, yeah, I thought so. Right, this is about to hit my break even, to be honest, or has it? No, not yet. Yeah, I wouldn't want to sell this 15 down just because we're at a level here. Happy birthday, mate. Yeah, I appreciate you, bro. Appreciate you. Yeah, guys on YouTube, smash a thumbs up on the smash a thumbs up on the video. Let's hit 20 likes today, okay? And guys, yeah, break even. Break even there. I mean, most of you probably did win on this, but break even for me on these evaluations. 90 tick push. Yeah, guys, drop a subscribe as well. If you've not already, drop a subscribe on the YouTube because I'm nearly at 3K, which is good. Nice new background. Yeah, I'm in a new apartment. New apartment, new background. YouTube, Jaw Trades. Yeah, guys on TikTok, go and smash Jaw Trades on YouTube. A subscribe. Do I still use Top Step? Yes. For how much longer? I don't know. But currently, yes, I do. Joe, do I take... Yeah, if I take other positions, normally they're posted in the mentorship. So any analysis and trades is posted in the mentorship, okay? I only trade live for about an hour and a half, and then other than that, it's in the mentorship. So like my analysis, if we're taking and discussing trades, like in the live trading channels or in the analysis channels, it's all in there. Yo, Dean, good to see you, man. Welcome. Du-du-du-du. But yeah, I like the new background too. It's clean. I mean, we've taken a little sell here, nothing crazy. We've been on for like 50 minutes. Do I think I'll take another position? I mean, the only thing I can really see now is this range on the 15 that I'm going to be watching. So there is a range here to watch. This is probably the range for the foreseeable, probably for like the next hour. Like I say, if this 30 closes bullish, I might take some half risk buys. But we'll see. We'll see. Is it your birthday today? It is. It's my birthday. I thought everybody should know. Yeah, I'm happy to be done, to be honest, there after today. I'm gonna go to the shopping center after this, check it out. And yeah. Nice one, Dean. Appreciate you, bro. You're in sells. I mean, a bit late now. I think gold's coming to a big level. I wouldn't be liking sells now, personally. But yeah. Caterpillar cake. Yeah, is that Tesco? Or is it I think is it Morrison's? Or is it all of them? I haven't had one of them in ages. Yeah, it actually is, Dre. It is. 9th of February. 26 today. How many ticks was that? It was about 90 ticks. I don't really look at ticks. I mean, I just trade the market. But that were 90 tick. Well, I mean, if you took profit like most people did, M&S. Yeah, send one to my address. How much ticks? Depends, man. I mean, sometimes I don't take negative RR. Wishing you many more here, Joe. Yeah, appreciate you, Joe. Appreciate you, man. Yeah, we took that little sell down here. Also, guys on YouTube as well. Let me post something in the YouTube chat. Go and watch this video because it's super key if you want to crush trading this year. After this live, go and watch this video. I posted it a couple of days ago, and it's literally 3 steps to become profitable. If you do every single one of these things, you're gonna become a profitable trader. If you do it for long enough, you're gonna be profitable. So go and watch that video after the stream. All right. Like it's literally like a 10-minute video. Just watch it. Can you give me a tip to pass challenges? Trade my strategy. Trade my strategy, be consistent with it, and you're good to go. Am I trading on Top Step? Yes, I am. I am. But yeah, that's the trade for me, guys. I'm gonna head off and then go and enjoy the rest of my day. If I was still trading the rest of today, like I say, guys, I'm gonna go and enjoy the rest of my day because it is my birthday. I'll be back fully tomorrow. But I'm gonna be watching this range here on the 15, okay? So I'm probably gonna be watching these levels. If we can break out, if we can break above, I'll look for some buys. If we can break below, I'll look for some sells. If we can reject these levels, I'm interested in trading within the range, okay? But I'm gonna head off, guys. Thanks for the birthday wishes. I appreciate you all. Much love and see you tomorrow. We'll be on for longer tomorrow. We'll be on for like an hour and a half tomorrow, so I'll see you then. Peace out, guys. Anyone in the mentorship, I'll see you there. Peace.